Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.